Hi everyone, welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Clear Cut Concepts. So in this video we are going to practice reasoning regarding KVS year 2017. So 40 questions came on the time. So it will help for your exam, whatever the exam may be, PGT, TGT or PRT. So already we have started reasoning series also. If you are new to this channel, please go and watch the series also and subscribe our channel. Surely it will help for your exam. Yes, let's get started. So the question number 1. Select the figure from the alternative which will continue the given series. Okay. So it is a pattern. We have to analyze this pattern. Understand the figures, what will be in the next fourth square. Okay. So first 3 figures are given. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So we have to identify all the figures one by one. First I am checking the bigger one, the first one. So it is here and then rotating it's moving on like that. So next turn will be here. Okay. First, second, third and this is third. First, move to the second, third and the fourth. So it's rotating like this. So the figure must be in this corner 1 and 2, not these two. So we have to cancel these two. So the option 1 or 2 may be the answer. Consider the second triangle. First one is in the colored, that is dark and this side. Second rotating. Fourth one must be here. So both are here only. Inside the square, so both on same side darken. Next opposite side it was darkened. Next same side. So the fourth figure must be opposite side. So second is the correct answer. The correct answer is second. Okay. Move to the next question. Like that we could find the answer. Move to the second question. Choose the cube from the alternatives that will be the similar folding formed by the folding to the given figure. Okay. So this is the net. So we always call the basic one is the net. This is the net. If you fold, you will get the cube. So how many sides it's having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we are considering the top portion. So this one, just imagine it, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are folding these 4 and then what will be the figure of the top portion. Okay. So the top portion we will get this figure. Okay. If you fold like this, the corner, this portion is, if you fold like this, so it will be colored black color and then the white portion overlap. Okay, it below the black. So the corner only one turn we will get this side, right hand side. So the figure is second one is the correct answer, only 2. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next, move to the third question. Because total 40 questions are there, so I don't want to spend more time in the simple questions. Okay, so it will help you to do fast. Okay, then the question is statement: a large population of New Delhi is diagnosed by dengue. This is the statement. Some statement is given regarding that. Some course of action also given. So we have to check the course of action is apt for the statement or not. Okay, that is our question. So what is the course of action? The municipal corporation should immediately carry out extensive fumigation on the most affected area of New Delhi. Okay. Extensive publicity should be done on how to avoid mosquito bites and prevent outspread of diseases. So both are important related to the statement. Both action are necessary for that statement. Therefore, the answer is both 1 and 2 are follow. Come to the next question. Fourth one. Same question. Some statement is given and then conclusion is also given. Okay. We have to check the conclusions are correct or not. That is our question. So what is the statement? Private school teachers are hardworking. Okay. Are hardworking. So what is the conclusion from this statement? Some hardworking teachers are private school teachers. Yeah, correct only. Because it is statement is given, private school teachers are hardworking. So it must be correct. Second, government employees are not hardworking. It is not given like that. Okay. So don't imagine this type of conclusions. Okay. This is not a, we can't give the option 2. Okay. It must be wrong because only one is possible regarding to the statement. So conclusion only one is follows. First one is correct. Second one not necessary. Okay. Move to the next one. So some paragraph is given. So read this paragraph, understand this paragraph and which option is correct. That is our question. Okay. So pass it and then you can read it. So here according to the question, Kaushal is a kind-hearted man. Not mentioned here. Okay. And then he respects his seniors. Not at all. Is a government employee. This one is given. Kaushal is working in a government organization at a good regular position is given. So this one is correct. He is not able to express. This is also not given in this paragraph. Okay. Pass it and read the paragraph and answer it. Answer is third one. Okay. Next. Sixth question. Again it is a pattern type question. So understand this pattern. 3 type of figures are given. Okay. First one, second one, third one. How will they made the third one? Only they remove the curved portion. Here also the curved portions are removed. So we removed this curved portion. How many lines are there? 2, 4, 6, 8 lines should be there. Okay. So the answer is 8. Have you understand it? I am removing the curved portion. So remaining lines 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 8 lines. 8 means 4 plus 4. This is the answer. Okay. Here also center portion is only 2. Here only triangle. Like that this portion is only number of lines. Count the number of lines. So answer is 2. Come to the next question. Here is also, this is a simple question. Okay. Arrow marks are given. Count the arrow marks. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. And then 1 plus 2, 3. And then we have to check the arrow direction. Here it is opposite direction. Everything in opposite direction. This is downward means it should be upward. So the answer is first one. Okay. Come to the next question. Eighth one. So here also we need to find the pattern. 3 figures are used here. Rectangle, triangle, circle. Circle, rectangle, triangle. Triangle, circle. So the third one must be rectangle. So this is not the answer. This is not the answer. Okay. Next compare the figure. Inside something is common. Inside is. So here inside only circle. Inside, outside it should be inside. So circle will be the answer. Second one is the answer. Next, some pairs are given. Fiber to fabric. What is the resemble things? Which one is apt for this? From the fiber, we could make a fabric. Same thing, wood pulp, we can make paper. Okay, so that is the answer. And then next one, read this paragraph and give me the answer. So Salman is a 9 years old boy, only one child, play with friends, usually late evening, his mother cooks tasty dinner. So related to this paragraph, which one is correct? Okay. Parents are don't play, this one is not given. Mothers like cooking, that is also not given. This one is given, no sibling. Doesn't have any sibling because it is given only one child. So this is correct. Okay. Correct answer is Salman have no siblings. Come to the next question. 11th one. So which cannot be formed? Which word cannot be formed from this? Okay. Check all other words we can form. Ration, train, inner. Only letter we can't form. Double E is there. Here only one single E is there. This one is we can't form. That's what the answer is third one. Okay. Next one. So arrange it in a manner. So this one is letter number code. Okay. So letter to number. They assigned A to 1, R to 2 like that. So they give the hint also. 4, 1, 3. Like that some hint also given. So previous year question also we made it. Okay. So from the letter how can make? So fourth letter we can start L. Start from L. This one is K. This one is 2. This one is 3. So I am making from here Walker. Walker. The correct answer is Walker. So which one is third one? Start from the third one. Only one option is start from third one. So we can find it easily. Fourth one is the correct option. 15th question. So again, environment. Which letter cannot be formed? Which one is cannot be formed? The answer is river. R is twice. So the answer is river. Okay, third one is the answer. Next come to the 14th question. 14th question. So for time concern, I already mentioned the meaning of this question. Okay. Otherwise, this video will goes to 1.5 hours. Okay, that's why I avoid such things. Limited timing we need always for preparation. Okay, so understand it. A triangle B means A is not smaller than B. A is not smaller than B. That is A is not less than B. Not less than means it must be greater than or equal to B. Triangle means A greater than or equal to B. Okay, A star B means A is neither small nor equal to B. Okay, neither small nor equal to B. What is it meaning? Greater than B. A is neither greater than nor equal to B. That meaning is less than B. A plus B means A is not greater than B. That means less than or equal to B. A percentage means neither greater nor smaller means it must be equal to B. Symbol representation I have given here. Okay. Here the meaning is triangle means A is not smaller than B. That must be greater than or equal to B. There is the possibility. Not is given. Not small means it must be greater than or equal to B. Like that you need to convert it. First step. Second, some statement is given. Again, P star Q. Star means what is now we can use this. No need of these statements. Okay. Now we can use this one. P star Q. P star Q means P is greater than B. Here P is greater than Q. Q triangle R. Triangle means greater than or equal to R. R star T means star means greater than T. Okay. This is the given statement. Now we have to check our conclusion. Okay. Our conclusion is P is greater than P star T means P is greater than T. I converted already. Okay. 4 conclusion as given. So like that you need to convert it. And then check which one is correct. P greater than T is, yes, we can make. P is greater than T is correct. P greater than or equal to R. This one is wrong. Why? We can take only one symbol. Okay. Greater than or equal to means here greater than or equal to. We always take greater than only. Okay. Suppose for example, Q is greater than or equal to R. I am taking this one is 6. Q is greater than or equal to R means this one is greater. It may be 6 or 7. This one may be 9. So not necessary these two should be equal. No need. Okay. So whenever you have a condition greater or greater than or equal to, at that time you need to take without equal symbol. Okay. So that means P greater than or equal to R is wrong. It should be P greater than R. Only greater than R. Not greater than or equal to. Okay. This is wrong. So Q greater than or equal to T also we can't see. Only first one is true. Answer is 1. Okay. So first understand the concept. First some statement is given to you. This 5 statement. Convert this statement into greater than or less than symbol. Next statements are given for each question and conclusion also given. Use this statement. Use these symbols. You can convert the given statement. Again conclusion also you need to check. Okay. So come to the next question. So in the same manner some statement is given. So plus means less than or equal to, percentage means equal, at means less than. Okay, I combined these three like that, and then conclusion also I converted. So now check it. P less than T, yeah, correct. Q less than or equal to T we can't say. P less than or equal to R, this one we can say because these two are equal, na? Q equal to R. So the statement 1 and 3 are true. Come to the next statement. 3 questions are given this type of questions. Okay. So if you understand means it will be very easy. So first convert the statements. All 3 I converted. And then check the condition. P less than T. Yes, we can write. Q less than or equal to T, not. P greater than R, not possible. So only one is true. Okay. Come to the next question. Which of the following diagram can be explicit the relation table, chair and furniture? So this one is simple. This is table, chair. This is under the furniture. So answer is first one. Okay. Come to the next question. 18th one. Konika said. So this is Konika. Okay. Said Vivek. Vivek is my mother. Mother. My mother's only son. So this is the previous generation. Mother. Therefore we put a circle here. Only son. Therefore we use the rectangle. So already we have discussed in the blood relation reasoning series. Please, you are new, you are practicing now. That means please go through the previous videos and come to this later. Okay. So the question is Vivek is my mother's only son. Okay. And the father of, okay, father of Jaya's only daughter Sonal. So Sonal, daughter. Jaya must be a mother. Circle. Jaya. So the question is how is Sonal related to Konika? Sonal related to Konika. So the Sonal is brother's daughter. So niece. Okay, the answer is niece. Okay. Come to the next question. Which of the following are same relationship as that of brother and sister? Okay. So brother and a sister. So father, mother, no. Father, son, no. Because two genders, na, female, male also that. Husband and wife, no. So answer is father and a daughter. Okay. Come to the next question. All mangoes are fruits. Okay. All mangoes. All mangoes. This full of mangoes are fruits. Okay. Some fruits are vegetables. Vegetables. No vegetables are cereals. So no relation between cereals and vegetables. So what are the conclusion we can get? Some fruits are mangoes. Yeah, some fruits are mangoes. This one is correct. Some cereals are vegetables. No, not possible. There is no relation between vegetables and the cereals. Some fruits are cereals. Okay, no. So the answer is only one is follows. Next question. Next is okay. So some statements are given. We have to form it and then we need to answer some three type of questions. Okay. So this one, this is like a lengthy question. So we have to make a table or something for collecting the details. Okay, it will be easy for you for understanding the further questions. So I made a table already for time concern. Okay, this one you have to write it roughly in the example. Okay, so the question is 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G are traveling in a bus. Okay, belong to different state Gujarat, Assam and Delhi. So what is the condition given? Not less than 2. So minimum 2, not less than 2, not more than 3, maximum 3 belong to each state. So each state should contain minimum 2 and maximum 3 persons. That is the first condition. Okay. Second, each of them wearing different color outfit. Okay, that is red, brown, blue, black, like that. 6 colors are given. 6 or 7. 7 colors are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors are given. Now we have to identify which color for which person. Okay, from the given data. Okay. The question number 1 is E does not belong to Gujarat and wearing brown color. So E does not belong to Gujarat and wearing brown color. So this one is for E. Okay. Next, the one who is wearing red color belong to Assam. So Assam, one of the people wear red color. Okay. A belongs to Delhi as well as D. So A and D belongs to Delhi. 2 person. So minimum 2 already occurred. A and D is in Delhi. B is wearing yellow. B is wearing yellow. Okay, B is wearing yellow and belongs to same state of C and F. B is wearing yellow and same state of C and F. These 3 person are in the same state. So it must be in the one of the Gujarat, Assam or Delhi. Delhi not possible. Okay. And then Gujarat or Assam. All 3 in the same state. Okay. Already we have E is not in the Gujarat. So E must be in Assam. Why? Suppose E is in Delhi. BCF in Gujarat means Assam have only 1 person. Only 1 person because the condition is minimum 2, maximum 3. So E must be here in Assam, not in Delhi. Have you understand it? Once again I am telling E is given not in Gujarat. I am telling E is also not in Delhi. Okay, why? Suppose E is in Delhi means BCF in one state means 3 plus 3 over. One of the state will be in, only 1 person will be in one of the state. But the condition is minimum 2 person will be in the one state. So E must be in Assam. BCF in Gujarat. BCF in Gujarat. So remaining only G is there. It must be in Assam. Okay. And then E color is brown. One of the color is brown. And then therefore here we must note down here because we need the color combination. B is in yellow. Okay. And then E is in brown. Okay. And then therefore G must be red. Because Assam, one of the person belongs to Assam, they must wear the red color. E and G in Assam, E is already wear brown color, therefore G must be red. Okay, this part is clear. Okay. Now we need to decide which color which one is wearing. That is our important question. Okay. Red. G must be wear red. So color red is also over. Red color over. Brown is also clear. And then yellow is also clear. Okay. Further move it. B is wearing yellow and belongs to same state of C and F. Okay. Nobody who belongs to state of Gujarat is wearing white or blue. Who is in Gujarat? E and G. E and G. E and G not wearing white or blue. Okay. That one we will find out. C is not wearing green. A is not wearing blue. So now we need blue, black, green, yellow. First I am taking blue and white I am going to consider. Okay. First I am taking blue color. Okay. Blue color. B, E, G we already know. What are the remaining persons? A, B, E, G. A, D, E, G. Okay. A, D, E, G. Blue color. A is not wearing blue. A is not wearing blue. D is also not wearing. G is also. So it must be 1 minute. D is here. No, I won't cut. D is here. So D. D must be wear blue. Okay. D must wear blue. Blue color is D. Okay. And then white. White. So A is not wearing blue. A. What are the members are remaining? A. B we know. Yellow is over. C. And then D we know. E. F. G. G red color. E brown color. Okay. We are considering E is brown and no need to calculate. Okay. A, D, E, G. We need to consider only A, D, E, G for white color. Okay. These three we know. This one is just now we find out D is in blue. So this is blue. This is brown, red. So A must be here white. So this is white for A. White for A. C is not wearing green. So C must be wear black. So which one is remaining? F. F is wearing green. Okay. So like that we have to reduce the situations and then find out the colors. Okay. So now we find out A is wearing white. B yellow. C black. D is blue. E, F is green. Now we can answer the question. Okay. Now we can answer the question. Who is wearing red color outfit? Who is wearing red color? G. G is wearing red color outfit. Okay. Next, what is the outfit of D? D is blue. Okay. Next, what is that combination is given? The correct answer is F, Gujarat, green. Okay. Next, what are the persons in Gujarat? That is given B, C, F. B, C, F is in Gujarat. Okay. Next, square is related to cube. What is a rectangle? So cube, each face having the figure. If you are making cube means each face in square. Same way rectangle means cuboid. Okay. Come to the next question. So here some word is given international and then condition is also given. The word is international is changed next to the letter English alphabet. If every vowel of the word, if any letter, suppose it is a vowel, change it is into next letter of English alphabet. That is the condition. The same way, every consonant change the letter into previous letter. That is the question. Okay. So what is the fifth letter? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth is the consonant. Therefore, what is the previous letter? Q. The answer is Q. Okay. Next question. What is the relation? January to July. So 6 months gap in between them. Same way March to September. Answer is March to September. Come to the next question. Again, one calculation question is there. Okay, 6 professionals are there. Total 6 professionals. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 professionals. 2 couples. Okay, 2 couples. One of the couple is doctor. The another one is teacher. And the next one is lawyer and banker. 2 more professional are there. That is given in the, that is a tricky here. Banker's wife is not a professional. So one more banker is here. Banker wife is not a professional. That meaning is we are not including the banker's wife because that is non-professional. And then lawyer is still a bachelor. Okay. This one is banker's wife. Therefore is a female. Here it is a banker is a male. Here it is still a bachelor. It may be a male or female. Okay, that is a condition. So the question is how many female members are in the 6 professional? We are considering only 6 professional. So 1 female is here, 1 female is here. So that may be a female or male. The answer is 2 or 3. Okay, if it is a female means we will add 1 with them, 3, otherwise 2 or 3. Same manner, how many males? 1 plus 1, 2. Here is also 1, 3. It may be a possibility, male or female. So 3 or 4. Answer is 3 or 4. Okay. Come to the next question. How many such pairs of letters are there in the given words? As many letters between the English alphabet. Okay, which one? Number of words. So how many letters in between them? Suppose C and R. Number of letters are more. Like that, which one is having the letter? Okay. P, Q, R. Here it is P, Q, R. Here is also only one letter. Therefore, the answer is 1. Come to the next question. So here, direction based question. Okay. So here some sentences are missing. Therefore, again I copy paste here. Okay. So first it's a direction based question. Make a direction east, west, north, south. Okay. The question is Kalpana is standing 6 meters south of Alka. Suppose it is Alka is here 6 meter. So here it is 6 meter. Kalpana. Okay. Sinthay is standing 12 meter east of Kalpana. 12 meter. C. And then Samir is standing 10 meter south of Sinthay. 10 meter. Samira. And then Samira is also 12 meter east of Ila. Samira is 12 meter east of Ila. Jasmine is 8 meter north of Ila. Okay, east means Samira is also 12 meter east of Ila. Okay, Ila is here. Ila is here. How many meters? So Ila is here, 8 meter north of Ila. Samira is also 12 meter east of Ila, same 12 meter. And then Jasmine is 8 meter north of Ila. Jasmine is here, 8 meter. So this one is 2 meter because total is 10 meter. Okay. Now we can answer. Here Kalpana is here. Kalpana is 4 meter toward her south. This one. 4 meter. So he is walking 4 meter. Okay. Here. How far is standing from Ila? So remaining is 6 meter because total is 10 meter and answer is 6 meter. How far Kalpana standing from Jasmine? Only 2 meter. Okay. So practice more direction type questions will help you for the exam. Now, come to the next one. In a class of 33 students, Mohan in the rank of 12th top. This is the class. Mohan in the top of 12th. Okay. Twin brother 4 rank above from him. 4 rank above from him. Okay. In a class of 33 students, Mohan rank is 12th from the top. Twin brother 4 rank above from him. Okay. 8th rank. What is the Mohit rank from the bottom? This is 1. 8th rank. From the bottom, total 33 children. 33. This is the first student. 33 children. Okay. So, what is the Mohit rank? 33 children. Mohan's rank is 12. This one is Mohan. This is Mohit. What is the rank? So this one is 7th. So from the below 33 children है ना? So 7 left. This one is 8th one. Okay. So leave the 7 children. We will get the answer. Leave the 7 children. 26. So from this one 26th position. Next 7 children are there. 33 will come. So the answer is 26th position. Come to the next question. Select one which is different from the other. Okay. Which one is different? So this is question for you. You can give your answer for 34th. Okay. Why it is different? Okay. Come to the next question. Correct alternatives. Give the correct alternatives. So 10 plus 1, 11, plus 1, plus 4. This one is plus 9. So we could find the square numbers are adding here. So this one is 25. Next one is 36. If you add 36 here, you will get 101. Okay. Next, come to the next question. So next one is arrange it in the dictionary order. We know the order A to Z. First PER, everything is same. Now compare the fourth letter. C must be first. So E. After C, compare the fifth letter. Like that we will get the dictionary order. The answer is, first one is the answer. Come to the next question. 37. Choose the correct alternatives. Okay, this one we have done so many questions. Okay. Here it is A, B, C, D. So here it is A, B, C, D. Next B, D, F, C, F, D, H, L, P. Like that we need to find. Okay, first letter is A, B, C, D. Next one is E. Okay. Second one is B. One letter leave. Leave the one letter and then they write. Okay. After H, I is, we can leave J. Next is C. Two letter will be left. Okay. So the answer is E, J, O, T. Two letter, three letter. Like that we have to leave and find out the answer. Come to the next one. So again some direction question is given. Okay, 8 executives are sitting in the rectangular table. Okay. So the question is 8 executives. Okay, it is a rectangular table. Okay. Handwriting in the around rectangle table. E is sitting second to the right of C. So this is C. E is sitting second to the right. They are facing like that. Therefore, right side is this side. Right side. Whereas C is sitting right to of A. So here it is A. A is sitting just opposite of B. Okay. D is sitting in between F and H. F and H. D is sitting F and H. None of them are sitting in the corners. Only one is left. This must be G. Equal number of executives and then 3 executives are sitting under one table. Okay, now we can answer the question. Who is sitting between C and E, G? Next question. 39th one. Who is the immediate right of D? Immediate right. F. Immediate right of D. F. What is the position of G in respect of C? What is the position of G? Okay, immediate right. Okay, they are facing at the center always. Okay, so it must be immediate right. Okay, so successfully we completed 40 questions. Surely it will help you. So thank you all for watching my channel. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.